million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this I love the way it makes me come alive.
Y'all, I'm still shooketh on this wig. I'm back with some synthetic drip, but it's not on this beautiful wig that's on my head. Are you got on your notifications bells? Because this review has already gone up. Look in the description box, you see a direct link to the review. Stop being stupid. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have said that. But it's by the same company, y'all. So if you're just tuning in, we're doing a red blonde series on this channel, which every synthetic wig, not human hair, every synthetic wig that we review for the next, it's gonna be about a couple of weeks because I got a whole box. Y'all look how big the box is. And that's not counting the ones that's over there in that storage locker. I ain't never shown y'all my home. I might need to do that. It's gonna be for the next couple of weeks. Just blondes or reds. So you might be looking at this like that's brown and pink. It's blonde and pink. It's a variation. It's called Strawberry Latte. But it's by the same company, and that is Main Concept, which even the wig I reviewed before this one by Main Concept shocked the heck out of me, because you know Main Concept ain't what we normally reach for, but out of all the ones that I filmed today, hands down, they be Outre, they be Bobby Boss. Yeah, they showing out. So boom. Is this by Main Concept? Yeah, Main Concept. This one is in the style RCHM211 Grace. And I have her in this color, y'all. Wait till y'all see this color. It's FR6/Mocha Latte. Grace comes with a 5-inch pre-plucked part, baby hairs, and it's part of their melting collection. Okay, I have this color that you see right here, but she comes in tons of colors. Shoot. She comes in maroon. She comes in FR1B P27, SH427, F1B30, 1B, and A2. Okay, y'all, let me show. I just ripped the shit out of it. I just want to be a professional. That's why y'all ain't subscribing. Here go Grace. She came with lace that I cut off because y'all know I do everything on camera. I know you might be thinking, we know what it looked like. I like talking to y'all. She came with lace I cut off. That's all I've done. You get comb in the back, adjustable straps. Look at that color blend back there. And then in the front, it's basically a T part. You get a comb over to the right, comb to the left, and then that lace part, your lace baby hairs.
I actually saw the start.
In my hand, I'm wishing that I would have done this one in a red, but we shall see. Let's take this one off, put Grace on, play around with her, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. About Grace there for a minute. I didn't think she was gonna be amazing, Grace, because I was like, what the heck is going on? Something just seemed off, and I can tell you what it is. Like, this needs to be more layered, because if not, it's just gonna sit in your face like that. So if I were keeping this, I would cut layers right down the front. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Main Concept, see, they've been knocking it out the park with the past few that we got from them, and I got 3 more wigs from them. But I like Grace. Is she my most favorite that we've reviewed recently? No, and it's only because of that. And that ain't really nothing to complain about though, huh? Because it's gorgeous. The color is pretty, the curls are pretty. It's a really, 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 really pretty wig. I was just confused on what was going on, okay? I was trying to make sure she looked like the stock card too, and she does. She does. So can I recommend Grace? Yes. She is very, very pretty. She growing on me. She reminds me of, if she was this short, she reminds me of, is that wig called Llewellyn by Outre? That's what she kind of reminds me of. And they have the straight, like, it's supposed to be like beach wavy vibes going on. But to be honest with you, I would like it like this, right? In an angle bob, that would be really, really pretty. So I can't recommend Grace. I try to remember to put some links in the description box where you can go and pick her up. But if not, like I always tell you, Google the name so you can get your best price. I got it from Elevate Styles though. Like I always say, you might not be in the wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Grace. Maybe it's your Uncle Gregory. Whichever one, send them my way. We'll get them right. The next one we're gonna do, Fire Red. See you in a minute.